Did you know that blurry vision and eye fatigue might not always be just screen damage, but also a sign that your eyes are missing key nutrients? I used to struggle with constant eye strain after long hours on my phone and computer, until I discovered a simple natural approach backed by nutritional science. Some seeds are surprisingly rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and compounds that may help support eye health and reduce visual stress. I tried this method for just 1 week, and I noticed a real difference in how my eyes felt and focused. In this video, I'll show you the 3 seeds and exactly how to use them. So stay with me, because the last one is the most powerful. Seed number 1, flax seeds. The first powerful seed you need to know about is flax seeds. These tiny seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA. Research shows that omega-3s may help reduce dry eye symptoms by supporting tear production and reducing inflammation. They also contain lignans and antioxidants that may protect delicate eye tissues from oxidative stress. Some nutritional studies suggest that consistent intake of flax seeds can support long-term retinal health. The best part is how easy they are to use. Just 1 spoon added to yogurt, smoothies, or salads daily. But the key is grinding them, because whole flax seeds often pass through the body without being absorbed. Seed number 2, chia seeds. The second seed is chia seeds, and they are surprisingly powerful for eye support. Chia seeds are also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and strong antioxidants. Studies in nutrition science link omega-3 intake with reduced inflammation in eye tissues and better visual comfort. They also help maintain hydration in the body, which indirectly supports tear film stability in the eyes. Many eye specialists emphasize that dehydration is one of the hidden causes of blurry vision and eye fatigue. Chia seeds are extremely easy to prepare. Just soak them in water or add them to drinks and puddings. Within minutes, they form a gel that makes them highly digestible and effective for nutrient absorption. Seed number 3, pumpkin seeds. The third and most underrated seed is pumpkin seeds. They are rich in zinc, a mineral that plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision. Scientific research has shown that zinc helps transport vitamin A to the retina, which is essential for clear vision, especially in low light. Pumpkin seeds also contain antioxidants like vitamin E, which may help protect eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that adequate zinc intake may reduce the risk of age-related vision decline. They are also a great source of magnesium, which supports blood flow and overall eye function. Just a small handful daily can make a meaningful difference when combined with a balanced diet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new